Okay, everyone, Bitcoin reserve is up as I told you yesterday. This is it, and we are still waiting for the Bitcoin price dump. If that Bitcoins will be sold, the Bitcoin price will dump massively, maybe even to $40,000. Also, as we can see, long-term holders are in profit right now, so this is also a danger thing for Bitcoin price. In tokens transfer total, in long term, it's a good sign that here are many transactions on blockchain. But in short term, as I said, long-term hodlers may be dangerous for Bitcoin price, and also that increase of Bitcoin reserve on spot exchanges. Also, as you can see, the exchange whale ratio. So the 10 biggest inflows to exchanges is also high right now. So this is also a danger thing for Bitcoin price. Funding rates are negative right now, and open interest is also in the middle RSI, and we are still waiting probably to get this open interest RSI to the down levels. If we get this open interest RSI to down levels, so many whales will be in profit, because they will get profit from traders who will close their positions. All right, let's move on. It's Maximus. Nothing here is a financial advice, remember, guys. So let's take a look on the other things. One on support the Guardian. On the Guardian, there is an article, and the title is "Trading is Gambling. No doubt about it. How cryptocurrency dealing fuels addictions." So yes, trading is a gambling. If you do crazy trades, if you borrow money from exchanges by trading futures, if you leverage your money, trading is gambling. If you just do some decisions on some meme coins or shit coins, as you want to name it, and if you just trade looking only by the price, only by the RSI, yes, it is gambling then. But what is this? Oh my gosh, nice. Okay, cool. Delete this. All right, but it is not a gambling when you do logical trades, when you analyze before, when you calculate, when you do your as I said, calculation. Like, for example, Burrow is doing his calculation. For example, on Avi protocol, I'm doing my own calculations on fractures, on ICP, so Internet Computer, on Maker DAO, etc. So yeah, trading is a gambling for most people in the community, but that's why most people are losing their money. But for those people who are calculating, analyzing, and really do math, do the homework, trading is just investments. It's just making good investments with good strategies. Kazakhstan, Bitcoin miner, US will make up 60% of the world computing power in 2 years. Kazakhstan Bitcoin miner. US will make up, yeah, okay, good. Brazilian mayor to reportedly invest 1% of city reserves in Bitcoin. Good for them. 1% is the beginning. Probably soon it will be 10%, and then even more, hopefully. And right now we are on a Glassnode, as you can see, and these are the biggest wallets. So the darkest, this blue is the biggest wallets on Bitcoin blockchain, mid wallets, and the smallest wallets. And you can see in 2017, just before the end of the cycle, the biggest wallets started to selling their bitcoins. Just few weeks before the end of the cycle. And the mid wallets and medium wallets and smallest wallets were buying, were accumulating this moment, okay? And for example, the mid wallets started to sell in almost after before it at $15,000. So almost after Bitcoin fell from $20,000, so they started selling at $15,000, and these guys, so the smallest guys, started to selling about at $14,000. All right. So how to deal with that? As you can see right now, we are at the moment when the biggest wallets are also selling. They were accumulating right here. They were accumulating, as you can see right here, before that price went up. They were accumulating right here just before that price went up. And right now they are selling. We are waiting for them, for the biggest whales, to start accumulating again, because right now who is accumulating are shrimps and sharks. So for now, because of that situation, yeah, that big inflows, because of that situation, especially that situation, this is dangerous moment to invest in crypto during today, tomorrow, and maybe even Monday. We will wait. And especially we have to analyze it from the bigger perspective. For example, the tensions in the Eastern Europe, between Ukraine, between Russia, also the tension between Poland and Belarus. So in the world there are many things right now happening, which isn't really good in long term for any kind of investment, especially tech investment. And if we remind ourselves the situation about Mt. Gox, and that they have to pay out, that they have a rehabilitation plan to pay out their investors, their clients, and right now there is silence about that topic. I cannot find any kind of information where or when they will have to pay out these bitcoins. When? So maybe that's why the biggest wallets are not accumulating, are distributing right now. So we are waiting for more information. We are waiting right now for maybe some positive news from the world. Maybe we are waiting for the reserve of Bitcoin on spot exchanges will decrease, or reserve of stablecoins on spot exchanges will increase massively. So that would be great time maybe to buy. Also, if there will be good news about crypto, about anything from anyone. Right now, there is no such thing. So we are still waiting. And of course, you have to know that we are waiting, and that in our tools we are every day we are analyzing that on-chain data metrics to be 100% at the time, every moment at the time. Okay, for now that's all. Thank you everyone. We are looking for backend developers, senior backend developers. Cheers and have a great weekend.